Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox my rep package from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. You may remember that a while back I was on Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop rep team. I decided to reapply and I am going to be on her rep team again. I do have a code for you. It is GOAL15 and you can save 15% in Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. I will link Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop for you down in the description box so you could check that out if you like what you see here. And I bet you will. So Jojo is, besides just being such a cool person, she is a very talented artist. Look at how beautiful the art here on this box is. I can tell you that this is her art that she created, and all her stickers are as well. And I absolutely love what she makes, and I'm so excited to share with you what is in this box. I do have a little bonus after too, because I also made a little purchase as well, so I will share that. So let's dig into the box. Look at how pretty, you guys. I took a little tiny peek in this box, but I didn't go full in it because I wanted to show you how pretty everything looked. I love this. I love this, love this. It says live each day with whimsy and joy. And then it has Jojo's socials on the back. If you've never ordered from Jojo before, she packages everything really well. When you order your envelopes, which are these like really beautiful, high quality envelopes. I think she has new colors. Oh, they're so pretty. Anyway, and you get a little freebie usually that matches the theme of what you ordered. So we have this lavender, like so beautiful. And then we have black, but there's also more in here in the plastic. So let me pull that out. All right, so let me just show you the envelopes and then we'll open them up. So we have this black and silver. Aren't these beautiful envelopes? And they are still good to use when she gives them to you. Ooh, you got a little sneak peek there. And then we have this beautiful kind of light pink, like a blush kind of pink with gold, maybe rose gold, gold or rose gold trim, hard to tell under the light. This gorgeous lavender. I don't think she had this color before. This is really pretty with a silver trim. And then navy with a silver trim. I love these envelopes. I have a whole bunch of them now. All right. Okay, let's dig into the lavender envelope first. Okay, so I think this is Lavender Days, which is one of the full collections. So let's just check it out. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I know it's like kind of a lot of spring vibes, but I had really loved this kit and for some reason I had never gotten it. So I picked it because it's so pretty. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, I love that. If you guys are new around here, I love florals, love them. This was it. This was the selling point. This was why I wanted it. Look how pretty that is. Little rain boots. And this too. That is so gorgeous. I mean, her talent. I'm telling you. I'm such a fan. I'm a fan for life. All right. Look how pretty. These are like washi strips. Yeah. So I'm so excited to use those. So now we're going to look at another full collection, and this one is called Special Delivery. Oh yes, I remember. These are so pretty. There is a somewhat similar set that's called, I think it's called Happy Mail. I think I'll have to try to double check that for you, but it's very similar to these. Oops, I have extra there, but it's a more pink theme, and I loved that set. I almost got that one again, but I've been in love with blue this year and I wanted new ones, but yeah, look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty that is. You guys. Gorgeousness. Oh. Like, when you get Jojo's art, you know it's Jojo's art. It just has her on it. And I really hope I get to meet her in real life someday, because she's just really, really cool. And it's been a really cool experience. So if she has another rep team and you're somebody that shares your planner on Instagram and YouTube, I highly recommend it. It was an amazing experience the first time around, which is why I'm doing it now. And I'm really excited. Look at that. Oh, I know. Like, look how cute that mail truck washi is. It's so cute. Now we have 2 mini sets, which this one actually I have had before. This one is called Birthday. It's so pretty and like so useful, right? So I wanted to have another one. My birthday just went by and I used what I had left of this in a little reel. I think I posted it as a short as well. If I did, I'll link it. Yeah, I like, look how beautiful, like, so pretty. And these are so fun. Ooh, wrong collection. Yeah, cute. And then I got one called Boho Birthday. And actually, I partly got it because it's my husband and I's anniversary this month. So I'm sure I'll do some themed things around that. And I thought these might also work for that, even though they're kind of birthday, but they're really just sort of celebration. But they're really cool. And yeah, I love the colors. All right, isn't it pretty? I love the soft, just the soft muted tones. Love that. I am so excited for this one, you guys. We received one of her new autumn collections. Her autumn collections are beautiful. And this is the Halloween. I actually also have 2 autumn mini sets I'll be sharing with you, but this is the full collection and this is the Halloween one. And I am so excited. Like, I'm so excited to see it. Let's just see it. Jojo. No, sir. Look at this. Look at that. It's just so pretty. Oh no, I think I'm going to have to buy another set because I'm going to be sad when I use them. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. She practices and practices and she just gets better and better. Look at that. Look at that. It's, oh, look at this. Look at the washi. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, I can't, Jojo, I can't. It is too good. I love it so much. Highly recommend that. All right, guys, now we have an autumn mini set called Ombre Leaves, and it's so pretty. Look at that. It says, I'm so glad to live in a world where there are Octobers, L.M. Montgomery. Autumn is a second spring, with every leaf is a flower. Beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Autumn whispered to the wind, I fall but always rise again. Oh, I like that. Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Yes. Oh, goodness. Are you guys having fall weather yet? We actually went through this like super crazy heat wave. Today's raining. So pretty. Yeah, I love that. That is so pretty. Hey guys, Future Jen here because I realized that I forgot a set somehow. I don't know how, but it's the other mini autumn set and it is so cute. I love it. So I had to include it. It is called Crisp Autumn and it's blues and pinks and I love it. Look at it. Look. Okay, so first of all, I love all of Jojo's furniture. We have a little fireplace with blue leaf garland and a chair that is so cute. We also have a yellow chair with a knitting basket. And we have a yellow chair. And we have a really cute sign that says, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And then we have a doorway with some pink pumpkins. And I love it. And then a whole bunch of pink and blue pumpkins. How stinking cute is that? So, crisp autumn, love it, can't wait to use it. But there's more because Joe is so generous. So now we have a little mini set that is a functional set, and this is the months of the year. And I had purchased a while back a little sticker book that Jojo had that I believe that these might be replicas of some of the pages in there. And I love that. I use it all the time. And so I was excited to get more of these because I always have a need for months, days of the week stickers. I don't usually redate my planner, but sometimes I do, or sometimes I like to make little custom spreads. And so it's always helpful to have stickers like this. And these are really nice. And the paper is really nice quality. They are on paper. And now we have this really fun notepad. So Joe does sell some stationery items as well. And this notepad is so cute. It says things to do before I can read. We actually got one of these and gifted it to my daughter's teacher last year because she was retiring and she loves to read. So we had put this little notepad in with some other goodies. And I just think it's so cute. So I picked this, but there's also a really pretty one with lemons. I almost got that one. I kept going back and forth. But anyway, this is the one I got and I really do love it. And then I also got some decals. So this one matches that Halloween set. It's so pretty. And this one too. I love this. And then I got the teacup. Oh, I love these. Okay, friends, that rep package was amazing. Amazing. But I do have one more thing to share with you. Jojo recently released this little set called Squad Ghouls, and it's so cute. So I had to get it. It's these little ghosts, and they are so adorable. Oh my goodness. I like the little cats too. And this one has a cat ghost with cat, a cook ghost, a ghost made out of sheets. Oh my goodness. A ghost with a pumpkin latte maybe. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, and then one of the autumn sets that she came out with has like this kind of tree in it. And I love that. I love the intermix there. And that was another really pretty one that I almost got. But and then look at this one. It's trick-or-treating ghost, a bride and groom ghost. So cute. And look at the ghost with the mushrooms. Oh my goodness. So cute. And the kitty on the head. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then you have a bunch of little ones. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. I like a little baby ghost. A little baby ghost. Oh, we have a freebie. This is really cute. Love planner themed stickers. And then we have this, which says, mark your planners. There are only 2 more releases coming up for the rest of 2023 for Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. Friday, October 20th, holiday release. Ooh, includes the 2024 desktop calendar, holiday winter stickers, stationery gifts, the floral and luxury advent sets, and more. And then Tuesday, November 21st, is Grateful Week. And that says includes some 2024 monthly kits, special 8 sheets for $8 sale. Ooh, she did that before and that was awesome. And more. Be sure to check out my Instagram page, for 15% off with rep codes. So again, my code is GOAL15. And oh my gosh, these are so cute. You guys, I am such a lucky girl. Such a lucky girl to get all these stickers. Thank you, Jojo. I'm going to have so much fun using them. And I look forward to sharing it all with you guys too. So that is going to do it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye.